Okay, I'm back with my fishing rod at my local lake, and I have my lure right here, all loaded up and ready to catch a fish. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. Hopefully I catch one. Okay, I'm already getting some nibbles. Right out there. Tip of the rod, it's really hard to see. But I'm definitely getting something. So let me just try to reel it in here. Alright. Turn my back. Alright, something just splashed right over there. Alright, right there. Yep, there's definitely something on here. There we go. Alright. And I got him. Right here. Look at that. That's a really good size. Right here, like compared to my hand. This is a very good size, and that worked in like less than 5 minutes. This is crazy. I've never caught a fish that fast. Already, like, especially with a homemade lure, 3D printed. And like, that's why you should 3D print your lures. I'm still really amazed how I caught this thing. All right, I'll see you next video. See ya.